Nice little run, Chris. Yeah, it had a nice little run. A nice little run. Good morning, Bob. Donald. GME. Oh my goodness, Donald. That's Pyrus, good morning. Tash, good morning. Emer, bonjour, bonjour. Virus, good morning. Andre, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Focus, good morning. Shaftman, good morning. Queen, good morning. Alan, Ayo, welcome back. Crypto, welcome back. Jay, good morning. Good morning. Doug, good morning. How are you? Good to see you, Alan. Anyways, yeah, no, top is on fire. Look at that thing go. It was the breakout. We mentioned 620 quite a bit in Discord this morning. Hey, it needs to break 620. Hey, it needs to break 620, right? That thing broke 620 and said goodbye. There's 720 almost. Yeah, it's failing at 720 for now, but that's a really nice run. A really, really, really nice run. So yeah, Joby has news as well. Yeah, they do. They have a bigger float, but yeah, they have news. Hey, yo, Red, good morning. Rusty, good morning. Yes, Rusty. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bloomtown, blooming. Oh yeah, that thing is going. My goodness, that's an amazing run. Yeah, maybe some of these China names are coming back to life. I think BAOS was having a bit of like BAOS was having a bit of just a bit of movement this morning and last night as well. So we might just be rotating themes at this point. Yo, Mo. Good morning. David. Oh my goodness. See, it's the China names. Dave is back for the China names. Good morning, David. Lit also had a bit of a run this one. Not Lit. I was looking at Lit for somebody else. They haven't had a run. The penny stock that had a run this morning was SUNW. But you want to be very careful when stuff like this runs to 20 cents anyways. Right? Like when you're running to 20 cents from what? From the abyss, from 7 pennies? Actually, I say 7 pennies. Oh my goodness, that's ridiculous. Wait, that thing was at 3 pennies. How the hell did it go from 3 pennies to 14 pennies yesterday, and then came back down all the way to 5 pennies, and then all the way back up to 20? Damn, that's impressive. Anyways, top is still going. So congratulations if you're playing with top, holding top, anything you're doing with top. Congrats. Because that thing looks amazing. So there goes 740 now. Oh my days. China's waking up, guys. China always wakes up at the end of the week, don't they? That's a very good run. Let's see here. Mm, uh, Command B. China names coming back to life. Okay, yo. Okay, yo. Yeah, that's a very good run. I need to look at some of these other names now. So HUDI was another one. This one had a bit of momentum yesterday. It's red this morning though, so it might just be something to watch for now. If top goes crazy, then we can go back and watch. But for now, it's just going sideways. Let me get some music going here. Joe. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Dismiss. Dismiss. Just kidding. You can't listen to that. You could tell the vibes, you could tell the vibes are coming, right? Unfortunately, we can't listen to it. My days, look at that thing go. If you're holding top, type in yes in the chat. Oh my goodness. Top is on fire. Wow. Oh my goodness. China. Oh yeah, top is for sure on the list there. On the list of boomskis. Controlling my oh yeah, FOMO impulse. Yeah. Yep. Okay, that's just an old message, I think. $7.70. Yes. Love it. Good morning, James. Tammy, yes, congratulations. Good job, guys. Just make sure you pay yourself on the way up, please. Don't beg hold into the open. You're holding top losers of the day. Uh huh. Top losers of the day. Speaking of top losers of the day, so these are your top gainers for the day, right? Obviously, top is on there. Top, it's a little bit delayed, so ignore that, right? So Sun has had a nice little run. Still the top gainer though. I think with that, the price doesn't match for these names, but still. Anyway, so yeah, top is number two on the list here. Like Greg mentioned this morning in Discord, there's no news for this name. Already, so there's no major news. It's not like, oh my goodness, why is it running? Why is it running? There's no news here, right? So we've mentioned this a few times as well. Like whether you have news or you don't have news, the what you're looking for is volume, right? That's it. You're looking for volume. So if the volume is there, then just play the technicals and move on. Alrighty. Okay, let me make sure we are good to go here. La 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 la. Enter. La, la. I wonder if BAOS will eventually pick up a little bit of momentum as well. Let me look at this list again here. I don't think we're missing anything. E, uh, hmm. TCDP is another one I want to look at some point here. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Tatiana, that's Benzinga. I'll tell you honest why the stocks are running. It's because of Chinese New Year. There are a couple of links. When's the Chinese New Year? When's the Chinese New Year? Is it this weekend? Or was it Monday? Let me take a look at BAOS here. Pray for no text. Yeah. You know what's wild though? I think we looked at this one last week. BAOS. The reason for that is look at this, okay? Look at that beautiful looking chart, right? The last time we played with BAOS was the last time Chinese stocks rallied or Asian stocks rallied, it was off this exact same level, right? That's why we have this whole scribble mess on the left hand side. It's because we played with this thing from $3.30. You don't want to know what the top of the stock was. It was above $20, and then above $30, and then above $40. It ran hard, right? So the fact that we came back to that exact bottom was quite nice, right? So yeah, it's just again the difficult thing with stuff like this is you never know when the volume is coming in or when maybe we should have thought of the Chinese New Year though. Um, that might have been a really good catalyst. So it's break even for the day, anyways. We'll keep a close eye on these things. See what happens. Alrighty. So I'm gonna leave up HUDI on this tab and then BAOS just because these ones could eventually pick up at some point. Top is dipping a bit as it should. You can't just keep pumping like that forever. This was a pretty nice breakout, by the way. Right, we have a beautiful demand zone at the bottom of the bottom, and then a breakout at 620, and then boom skis. So let's see if we can get a higher low now, and then go from there. SUNW, let's see if we can stay above 15 cents. Just be careful with names like these ones. They pump for no reason and then they go to the abyss. Please and thank you. Not sure why I was looking at the, okay, that's why I was looking at the SEC. Yeah, ILAG is another Chinese name. Yeah, China. It's China Demo. China Day. Friday? China Day. Yeah, ILAG is going to need to give us some higher lows at some point as well. For now, it's just going to the abyss. What's TCBP doing here? Did I look at Bitcoin? I did. I did. I haven't looked at it on stream, but I did this morning. Yeah, almost 48, which is pretty nice. So we're going to need to pay attention to some of these Bitcoin mining stocks. Yeah, if it stays above 15 cents, Nemo. So CLSK is actually nice because they reported earnings the day before. They beat earnings the day before before Bitcoin had this amazing rally. CLSK is obviously having a really good morning, right? Good earnings and then Bitcoin push. Ooh, nice combination, right? It's for those of you guys, those of you coffee addicts. When you sip coffee in the morning, you're like, oh my goodness, that's amazing. That's the feeling for CLSK. That's a pretty nice push, right? Wolf has also done well. Obviously, we played with Wolf in the past. It's oh my goodness, Wolf is at $2.30. That's a pretty nice pop. Should have gone back into Wolf after selling it at $2 ish. Should have gone back in at the same price. Dang it. Bitcoin is something else. Yeah, the markets just kept pumping to all time highs. I think we mentioned this 2 days ago, right? The markets keep pumping to all time highs. Bitcoin is still sitting at the same price. So either Bitcoin has to run to catch up to everything else pumping, or the market needs to sell off. Obviously, the market isn't selling off. Market says, yeah, you know what, sell offs are for losers. So yeah, Alan, yeah, PTSD, yeah, I bet. Then Mara obviously looks really good. Mara is going for 24. So we're sitting at the highs of the day, include well highs of the day in pre-market. So yeah, let's see what happens as we get into the open. Alrighty, if Bitcoin breaks above 50K over the weekend, I think that'll be wild, wild. Yep, Mara has had a really nice run. So anywhere around $16, Mara was a really nice buy, really nice buy. And this kind of stuff happens. Yes, Joe. You're in at 9 for you, car. Can you take a look at the chart? I will. I will. Uh, let's see. Coin pumped yesterday, and in the after hours as well. Pyros. Yeah, Coin is one of those names that really benefits from the Bitcoin run, right? Obviously, Coin is crypto, so there'll be a dip on and then it'll run. So probably before the weekend. Yeah. Yes. With these Chinese names, maybe you wanna do that. Good morning, Lincoln. Good morning. Top is curling. Yeah, it's trying to. It's trying to. Spies are 501. No way. What? That is ridiculous. 501 for the S&P? Damn. That's incredible. My goodness. That thing will never dip again. Yeah, it looks like we're going to be pumping all year long. All year long, we're going to be pumping. Just send it all. Joe, at this point, let's just go to 600. I don't think anybody expects the S&P to ever dip at this point. Annette, good morning. Hey, yo. Yeah, markets. Just so if you're holding anything, Powell pumping the markets. Yeah, at this point, if you're holding anything long, you might as well just close the computer, come back in 2025, because it's still going to be at all-time highs. Yep. Anyways, so yeah, let me go back to top. Top is obviously the name we've been paying attention to coming into the open. Anyways, right. So it's done really well. I'll pull up Bitcoin as well for those of you guys that Mara with a bit of a dip there. Yeah, Bitcoin is done really well, really well. God did no. God said you should have gone long. Um, anyways, yeah, no. So Bitcoin pushed all the way. Let me pull up the daily and the 4 hour here. I just want to see what other levels we have. So 48. The last time we had that crazy run for Bitcoin before dipping to 38, we pushed all the way to let's call it 48, 47.5, but really 48. Alrighty, so anywhere close to 48, you should expect a little bit of resistance, right? Unless we break above this resistance over the weekend. KV, good morning. Um, Alrighty, so again, the last time we pushed, yes, we pushed all the way above 48, but we really struggled in and around this range. So just expect a little bit of yep, yeah, 49 it did. Like on that big push, that wick, right? 49 100, our low roller. right? So which was 49,102, whatever the exact number is, right? So close above that, say goodbye to cheap BTC. Yeah, so if we can, and that's what I'm in, and that's exactly what I'm saying to you. Is yes, we pushed all the way higher, but then we need to close above. Like the level is closer to like below, alrighty. And then yes, 50K will be a big test. Yeah, this little area right there, Josh. This little area here, right? That pink line is actually below 47.5. So right, this little area right there is what we need to find a way to close. So if we can, you slept in, get some coffee, black cafe. Okay, I'm gonna look at. So I'm gonna leave it on the 3 minute time from here for Bitcoin, because the as much as we like looking at the candles for BTC on the smaller time frame so we can see stuff moving, it really doesn't matter, right? It's all about the big candles for the big time frames for BTC. Sebastian, bonjour, bonjour. So today is all about China and Bitcoin. They said no, Musty. I don't get why they would say no. So they can send the money to somewhere else, Musty. That's why. Oh, that's annoying. When it went when it from 5 to 100, Nasdaq halted it for a while and then came back around $7. Gail, did you sell though? Good morning, Virgo. Did you sell? Did you sell at higher than $5? Sana, ayo. Nvidia is a different animal. A different animal. How much time do we have? Okay, 12 minutes. 12 minutes before the market opens. And what? The market really is thrusting. Yep. Hey yo, Virgo. Not much. Just trying to recover from chaos. Trying to recover. I have a question. PLTR 25 $24 calls yesterday, and you're still holding, of course. I'm going to take half off the table today. What do you honestly think out of the stock? Do you? I like it. Um, and still la. I like it, and I think you're going to be nice and green on your Palantir calls. I think it's a good idea to scale out on a Friday with the markets hitting all-time highs. I think you're doing the right thing. I also think if it wasn't options, Palantir is one of those companies that like will most likely be worth more, but you're holding options still, so that doesn't matter. So I think you have the right plan, Shannon. Around 80, and you held a few. Nice girl, very nice. Richard, good morning. Better, Richard, better. I it won't keep the when you switch apps. You might need to get like YouTube Premium or something. Do I think I well yes, in a sense yes. Bitcoin is dipping them. Bitcoin with a bit of a dip. Yes, and let me take a quick look here, Rusty. So VLCN, right? And this is why we keep saying with names like split names and anything else. Make sure you wait till that thing actually is gaining momentum. It's not doing anything, right? If VLCN isn't doing anything, we just leave it alone, right? You have to again keep it on the watch list. If it starts to gain a bit of momentum, and then yeah, we can play with it. Just like Holo, right? Um, Holo went from a dollar something. It went from $2 to $1.90. It just kept slowly dipping and dipping and dipping. But then when that thing turned around with volume, it actually centered, right? So you never know when that is. So yeah, you just keep it on the watch list. When you see green, it's like okay, maybe it's go time. Maybe it's go time. From $1.50 to $50 is madness. It's madness. Good morning, Piff. Good morning. Good morning. It's madness. That's wild. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna keep an eye on VLCN. I'm gonna set an alert here for VLCN. See if that thing can ever get back above $2.50 and then just give us a higher low. If it can, then that's a good thing. Then that's a good thing. Top is going to need to give us a break above 770 at some point there if it wants to run again. Just be careful as we go into the open. Um, I mean, Jasmine, I really don't look at stuff like that, honestly. It's vomiting. Bitcoin is vomiting. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Isn't that crazy? Like, it takes a whole bunch of candles to go up, and then it takes two candles to erase everything. That's how it is, isn't it? And then obviously Mara is dipping, right? Mara is below 24 now. CLSK still looks fine. These are not massive dips, by the way. You know, not massive dips. Bitcoin is still at 47. Like it's not a yeah. No, I wouldn't be buying anything because I see it both like Jasmine. If that's what you're asking. You're in at 9 cents. Piff, congratulations. Well done. Well done. I think you have a really good entry. Pick a minimum take profit level, Piff. So I think if that thing stays above 15 cents, you're fine for now, hopefully. Alrighty. GGE, 6 pennies. The only reason why I maybe want to look at GGE is because Sun went from like 3 cents to 20 cents, and then from 6 cents back to 20. So maybe that's something we keep an eye on. But really good volume though, so that's good. Anyway, so we have a new member. I'm waiting for the stuff to load here. I'm waiting for the day that like YouTube and the stream combine and give me like up to date information. Unbelievable. Anyways, again, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please, and thank you. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you're not a member yet, what are you waiting for? Become a member. Come join us in Discord. Alrighty. Click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Make sure you sign up for the right level though, like Discord Community Legend or GOAT. So T Blizzy, welcome to the community. Thank you very much. Talk less. Right, so welcome. Here is your invite. Blizzy, click this invite at the bottom of the link, at the bottom of the chat there, and follow the steps in the getting started channel. Alrighty. So click that link. It's going to take you straight to Discord. You're only going to have one channel, maybe two channels. Once you follow the steps, it's going to open up everything else. So click that link at the bottom. If you're not a member yet, my question is, what are you waiting for? Right? What are you waiting for? You want to miss? You want to miss the next holo again? Kidding, but it's a little bit leggy now. Come on. It's there was a bit of lag there. I'm just waiting for it to load. 2, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Back to business. Anyways, right. So you want to miss the next. You want to miss the next holo, guys. Right. All it takes is one play. 111. Alrighty. Look at that. Holo was posted in Discord. Alrighty. Below $2. Okay. Below $2. Okay. So if you're not a member yet, come join us. Otherwise, you're gonna miss the next one. What did Holo go to? Well, let's see Holo. Oh my goodness, we almost caught the exact bottom, guys. Look at that. That's Holo. Wait, do you see $2? You see $2? I am, Dan. Thank you very much. I am kind of. I feel like like I pushed it today to come on. Because I was coughing like an idiot in the morning, but and then so maybe I shouldn't stream today, but it's Friday, so we can deal with the rest of the weekend. Anyways, so again, from $2 Holo, what did we say? We said, hey guys, please leave Holo on the watch list. These splits have been running, right? So this might be the next one to go, right? And then where did Holo go to? Holo went from $2 to $3 to $7 to $17 to $20 to $30 to $40 to $50. $50. Good morning, Will. And mining, yeah, and mining, a good mining stock. There are quite a few, right? Mara, CLSK, Wolf, there are a whole bunch. Take a look in Discord and trade ideas. Pablo's posted a list in there. And then you get stumped out. Yep. exactly. So yep. Let me get rid of this. I'm gonna leave up VLCN here. I just want to see if VLCN can find a way to get back above 250. If it doesn't, then it's no go. So until that thing goes from red to green, it's no go. Already. So for now, I'm gonna leave up SUNW here. See if that thing gives us anything. We have about 4 minutes left before the market opens. And then top is still dipping. So this is what I mean, Jasmine. You were asking earlier. Does that look like a bull flag? To me, I say it doesn't matter. Like it does not matter, right? It doesn't matter one bit whether you see a bull flag or you don't see a bull flag. All that matters is you look for those support levels and you look for those resistance levels. Because I've seen a lot of bull flags fail, a lot of cup and handles fail, a lot of bear flags fail. So yeah, 222, yeah. And that's what I mean though, right, Mo? Like I don't want to look at the bottom. I want to look at when it decides to go from like green to from red to green, like when it decides to gain momentum. Because if we try and catch the bottom, that's when those stop losses hit because it could just keep going down and down and down and down. So, yeah. My first customer would be an undercover cop. La, 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 la. Let's go. Kel, good morning. So you got in at 4:45, 5:45 Friday, and then go back to sleep. Yes, I like it. I like it. I'm catching. I've missed some of these comments here, so I'm trying to catch up. Jeff, good morning. Good morning, Aom. Already down a ton. I think it will rebound soon. That's the thing with these stupid SPACs, these SPACs, Jeff. Let me open up. Let me look. Let me take a look ski. So that was attack. Attack went from attack to a DAI. So it doesn't quite give me any information yet on TradingView here, Jeff. So yeah, no data at all yet. Maybe once the market opens, it will. You're in it, yeah, Blizzy. You're good to go. Okay, welcome. What's the previous support? Well, the support was $3 to 330 ish KVS. So we're just gonna have to wait and see what happens when the market opens because it's not really doing anything, right? With these names, you really want to make sure that they have momentum. Has yeah, Jeff, it's that's the thing, right? Like we just kind of find a way to move. We have to move away from these stocks when they're not the not the theme, right? We've been waiting for China names forever. They haven't been the theme till like the last 2 days, right? What's been the theme lately? It's been these splits, right? From INBS to Holo, right? 300%, 1,000%. We wanted 1,000%. We've had two so far in the last 2 days, right? The other one was SY, SYRA, right? So, yeah, and then they decided to crash the damn thing. So, but yeah, you just have to kind of go with the theme. This one was in the split, by the way. This was just 1,000% runner. They had some news. Anyway, so the market just opened. Alrighty. So top is obviously one of those names we want to watch closely. BAOS is at $4, but the spread is ridiculous. HUDI isn't really moving yet, so we kind of leave that on the side. Bitcoin is holding the 200 and the 3 minute at 46,700. ILAG selling off. TCBB selling off. Mara dipping. CLSK actually isn't dipping because again I think that the part of them like reporting earnings and crushing it, I think that's keeping them nicely up there. Nicely up there. SUNW is not really doing anything yet, but it's holding 15 cents, which is good. So I'm good. Give me 2,000%. Yeah. See, and that's the thing, Jeff. Like people will move towards these splits when there's a cat. When people look around and see that every other split is pumping. I think when RNAS did the split, it was at a weird time. No other splits were pumping, so that's the problem with that one, right? They almost need a catalyst. Like if those guys drop the catalyst, oh my goodness, that stock would explode, right? If they dropped something, but they're not doing it, so yeah, we just have to wait and see. Top is still selling off here, which is not a huge surprise. Sierra, yeah, Sierra is pumping a little bit there. SYRA. Watch that thing go from red to green, bunny. With this one, I would not be surprised if it does that. There was a nice double bottom, wasn't there? 330. Interesting. Well, let's see if we get some higher lows on one of these names here. Fun has lots of volume. Yeah. Yep. Fun has done a good job with 30 cents. With news, now it's getting some action. Okay, so it's good. LAES. LAES. Cool. Okay, yours curling Nemo. Okay. Yeah, I think it's still really early on in the day for these names. So let's give it a few minutes and see which of them actually picks up. Yeah, there goes SUNW. SUNW says, hey guys, to the abyss, right? You should, again, always expect sell-offs at the open anyways. So, yep. Let's see. Making sure nothing is showing up on the scanner that we're missing. Okay. There we go. NSTG, another penny stock. Another penny stock. This is why you don't want to get caught up in these. Yeah, top is still selling off, right? So nothing to see there yet. CLSK though, oh my goodness, dang! So Bitcoin took off, and then Mara said, "Ooh, wait for me, wait for me." CLSK highs of the day, including pre-market. That's a pretty nice run. Good morning, William. Paige, good morning. Some pretty nice Bitcoin rallies. Bitcoin rallies. Happy Friday, all. Don't forget to smash a like, guys. Is top done? No, you can't really say that. The market is open, William. Right? Top has had an amazing run. So it's up 100%. So we can't say, oh, top is done when it's dipping, what it's doing what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to sell off at the open. If it's not, it's gonna sell off at some point, right? So it's only been what, 4 minutes. William says, "Is it done?" No, it's been 4 minutes, Will. So let's see if we get some higher lows. If we start to get lower lows and lower lows and lower highs and lower lows, and then we can say, okay, you know what, it's done. For now, that's way too early, right? You want to see this thing dip anyways. That might give you a nice little dip opportunity, right? So, anyways, let me put this to the side. I want to look at NSTG. NSTG. Your next support for SUNW is 1280. Alrighty. NSTG. Forgot the space. Here you go. So SYRA is dipping like a tomato, so nothing to see there. NSTG does look good though. Breaking 20 cents there. Yeah, to Valhalla. Let's go, Nemo. Are you in it? I hope you're in it. I hope you're in it. I still think the market is all over the place. Like, so this is TCBP pumping there, which is nice, right? Dipski to support, 145 dip, and then all the way back up to 170, which is not too bad. Let's see if we can get some higher lows though. Those higher lows at the open are quite important. So whether it's top or TCBP or anything else, we need those higher lows. Yeah, that thing is pumping. My goodness. 22 pennies, Nemo. The curl of the 50 penny stock, the 50 EMA. Yeah, that was a nice curl of the 50. 14 cents actually. That would have been really good. Yeah, now you have all the supply. Look at how quickly that thing skipped though. Like it went from 20 cents to 26 cents in the same candle, and then back to 20 cents. Yeah, just be careful at the open, please. There goes top. Top is pumping now, right? So top is back to $7, right? We're retesting the highs of the open, which is good. We do need those higher lows and higher highs though. So I think for now it's playing with the range, right? So if we can get back above $7.20, that'd be a good thing. For now, not quite doing it yet, so I would be careful. Look at that thing, right? It's back to 650. That's crazy, right? So these stocks are just playing with the range up and down in the first few minutes. So once we get that, get the first few minutes in and it's chaos and we get those higher lows or just conditional levels, I'm getting an alert for something. The alert is for VCIG. Not sure why I have an alert on that thing, but anyways, SUNW is bouncing really nicely off the 50, of the 200, right? So 1280 for SUNW, quite nice. Test, 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 boom skis. We're back to 17 pennies. Highs of the day. Next resistance, 18 cents. My goodness, it's penny stock Friday. 25-cent scalp on the open dip in pop. Nice. Vladimir, good morning. What do I think about UCAR? What's your position, Juan, in UCAR? What's your position? Let me know. If you have a question, just let me know what your position is, and I'll take a look. Promise. Anyways, there goes top again, $7.10. So clearly, we're playing with the range. It is live. Okay, I'll take a look. We have so many names moving. My goodness. Guess what day is today? Today is the day you become a member, Vladimir. What day is today? Is the day you become a member? You're looking at it. Halt it. Okay. Tesla interview. Oh, you're interviewing at Tesla. Let's go. Hopefully you get the job. Get the job. Get the job. Get the job. You FOMOed at 11. Okay, I'll take a look. One. Hopefully I don't forget. I'll take a look. I'll take a look. VCIG. Yeah, that's the alert I just got. Again, I'm not sure why I set an alert, but there's usually and it's 108 right now. Dang it. See, this is why we set alerts and then we ignore those alerts and then we check a few minutes later and then the damn stock is gone. That thing alerted me at 96 cents right there. It said, hey, please go watch the damn stock. And then I was like, you know what? Meh. I'll check it in a few. The damn thing popped. I would be careful with that though. Let's see. I would give it a second. We set alerts and then we ignore the damn alerts. We do the research. We do the research and then we set the damn alerts and then it happens and we're like, you know what? We check next tomorrow. Anyways, I would be careful with this for now though, right? Anything at the open here, be careful, please. VCIG is another one of these Asian companies. This one's also had some really nice runs in the past, right? Yeah, top is trying. Top is our new highs of the day, by the way. It hasn't really closed above yet, but it looks really good. So this is why we cannot say is a stock done at the open, right? It's doing exactly what you need it to do. Number one, we need to sell off at the open, and then we need to kind of curl back up. 3 business days. I know, Pablo. Right. So there goes top. It looks like we have a little bit of resistance. That thing said resistance. Where? Anyways, there goes 760. It's a very nice run. Maybe yeah, top was remember when top was 250? I remember when top was $200. Yes. I remember when HKD was exploding and then top was a brand new IPO. That thing was on fire. My goodness. We've had some crazy days. We've had some crazy days. Look at top. Top is erasing all of that. Oh my goodness. Look at the way it's dropping. Oh my days. Top was bananas. It really was. We had a lot of fun though. Let's see. Did I not get a message? Thought I did. Retry. Okay, perfect. One second. Perfect. They sold top at the top. Yeah, what a top! Look at that damn thing. We just went from 780 all the way back to $7. VICG isn't doing much yet, so I again, like I said, I would be careful with these massive green candles. BAOS isn't doing much there. TCBP not really doing much. ILAG looks like it's curling off 66 cents. TCBP has a bit of support at $1.45. Maybe that will hold. Mara is dipping back to the lows of the day. CLSK is kind of back to even. Back to even. And there goes your nice run for SUNW, right? 18 cents. Nice curl. Oh wow, look at top. Oh my goodness. Now what that thing needs though is a higher low. Because if it doesn't get a higher low, I think it's in trouble. You sold fast. Did you make monies though? Hopefully you made monies. Because then that's all that matters. All that matters. 7. No. Wild. Back to. There you go. Yeah, if it can give us a higher low, if it breaks below that bottom, then it's to the abyss. To the abyss. CLSK is back to $13 again. I like the way that one's holding up. Yeah, SUNW, new highs of the day. Next resistance, 19 pennies. At this level, you're looking for an entry. Looking for an entry. Let me take a look. I'm gonna set another alert, okay, for uh, for VCIG, and then let me look at SYRA. I mean, it does look like it's trying to hold 360. So if you play with it, Katie, not a bad level. Just make sure that it doesn't go below 360. Is what I would be looking for. Next week, yep. Yeah, Pablo's mentioned this one quite a bit in Discord. Right, this thing has done well. It's up another 13% again today. LUNR, Luna, right? So these wow, it's finally breaking that resistance, Pablo. It came back for a bit of a dip, like we mentioned, just because of all that resistance at $4, and now it's pushing up. It looks like it's breaking out, which is amazing. Next resistance around like $4 and 30, let's call it 33 cents. So but again, so if you're not sure, there's a lot of information in the swing channel. These guys are going to the moon. Like they're going to the moon, like not the stock going to the moon, but like the company is going to the moon with SpaceX. So that's huge, isn't it? So hopefully nothing changes and that stock continues to pump. I wish if this thing had a smaller float. It doesn't seem like it has a massive float, so I'm surprised it hasn't like really taken off yet. But maybe next week it will. So this is something we're going to put on the watch list for next week, as they have a huge catalyst, right? A huge catalyst. Anyways, there goes Sun W, guys. That thing is gone, V Dog, right? That thing came back to the 200 and said, "Okay, hello, hello." Where are we going? To the moon. So watch that 21 level, double top from pre-market. Yeah, 50. You sold at 15? Dang. You sold quite early. You sold quite early. Mm, that's annoying. Yep. Yep. At least you made money though, right? Green is good. Yeah. So if again, congratulations if you're holding Sun W there. What's top doing? Top looks like it almost wants to go retest the double bottom, doesn't it? Oh wow, that's nasty. Mm-mm. Yeah, that's a new low on that candle. I don't know if it's gonna close above it, but still, that's a new low. So don't like that. Don't like that one bit. Right. So we needed a higher low for that thing to go back up. It's really not doing it. So maybe watch the 200 as well, unless it's halted down. Is it halted down? It is halted down. It's halting. Top is halted down. Yup, yup, yup. As soon as that thing goes below that previous low, it just becomes, right? Yeah, yeah, 6 610. Yeah, almost. Let's see what happens. Let me take a look here. So the bid is currently at $5.90. Well, $6 now, but in and around that range. Yeah, it's halted down. So that thing went from boom skis to the highs of the day. But again, clearly that's a double top, isn't it? Right? Clearly that's a double top. That's the same level we failed at in the morning. Right? History does not repeat, but it rhymes. Right? So right there, top, back to the abyss. So we shall see what happens. We shall see what happens. Jeff, did you ever get into Luna? Hopefully. TCBP looks like it really bounced off that 146 level, which is amazing. Good. ILAG looks like it's testing a double bottom. We'll see. We shall see. None of these China names are really moving here. The only thing that's it's all these penny stocks now. Penny stocks on the move. You're trying to get 610. It depends. Let's see what happens when we get on halted. So for now, the bid is it's taking its sweet time to load for me. Taking its sweet time. The bid is still at $6, so hopefully it stays above $6. Stays above that range. 7. Cool. $6.10. Uh, whoa. Liverpool. They have the flu. Oh my goodness. Let me see. I'll take a look. Look like it has a pop anytime soon. I've missed so many questions. Again, when you put in those questions, guys, in the morning, there's a really good chance that I missed them. Just because we have so much of like other stuff we need to look at. What the hell is that? That's another alert, isn't it? VC. Yeah. A good day, a green day, Richard. That's good. Oh, yeah. Okay. Interesting. Anyways, what's happening here with Mo Salah? We have not available. A little bit fighting with the flu. Who is available? It's not. Wow. Liverpool with the flu. So then, who has the flu? Never gonna find out, are we? Just quit. Who has the flu, Pablo? I want to know who has the damn flu. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Oh my lord. Pumping a news BTTX. Let me take a look. Yeah, so Bitcoin looks fine. Bitcoin is testing and holding the 200 for now. Let me take a look at BTTR. BTTR pumping on news. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, it's all these penny stocks. 5 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago, they announced that. Yeah. Again, this doesn't make any sense to anybody, does it? It doesn't. Well, okay, it does. If I didn't miss the first part, so acquisition. Alrighty. So yes, that does make sense. This one does. Um, That's the thing with these catalysts is they're only headlines. Unless you go digging. By the time you're done digging, though, the stock is up 40 something percent. Yeah, I couldn't read the words. No, I couldn't. It's like, wait, what? What does that mean? Acquire? What does acquire mean? Acquisition? What does that mean? Is that like when you go to the store and you get cookies? Oh, okay, okay. I acquired some cookies. Amazing. Huh. I like it. See, if they did it like that, that would have made a lot more sense. But instead, they had to be all fancy. Anyways, top is unhalted, guys, and it's still dropping like a tomato rock here. You know what's interesting though? We're back in that range now. So let's see if we can stay above like 590 or 580 was the bottom there. Yeah, you know the range before we took off in and around that range. Yeah, let's see if we can stay above it. Stay above it. Stay above. Still kind of figuring out what it wants to do though. Yeah, TCBP has done a really good job with that bottom. A really good job. Yeah, ILAG is holding that 66 really well, Justin. Right, double bottoms. I was a bit skeptical initially, but yeah, it's done a good job just giving us higher lows there. It looks like top is holding that demand zone. It's like green zone, you shall not pass. You shall not pass. So hopefully we stay above the damn green zone and we start to get some higher lows. We want to play with some nice stonks today. We just need those higher lows though, because everything is all over the place. Mara is dipping now. CLSK is losing a lot of those gains, right? Lows of the day for both of these names now. So SUNW looks like we pushed all the way to 21 again, and it's a double top again, right? So resistance, nothing happening over there. No volume at all. Top is still holding up. Cool. 74 at Justin. Okay, nice. Very nice. Let's see here. Today at 7:15. Okay. Nah. There you go, Justin the criminal. Justin the criminal is taking those monies. Do you have a nice entry, Pablo, for Luna? You have a really deep. Yeah, love it. Thank you for posting that in Trade Ideas, Pablo. Thank you. $4 level, which has been a tough for a while. Doing as expected ahead of the launch, as scheduled for next week on SpaceX. Yeah. Yes. Hopefully everything. Yeah, the break above that $4 level is key. So if we can stay above $4, I think that's a good thing. Yeah, 375 last week on Luna. Yeah, that's a really nice entry. Especially now that it's broken above the that resistance. Yeah, it's a really nice entry going into next week. Let me pull up Luna again here. Nah, I was surprised to see the float of that thing, Pablo. I don't know if they've done some other things. Again, it doesn't have the most volume. Maybe next week it will. Right? Maybe next week it will, with like the headlines all over the place. Like, oh my goodness, we're going to the moon, Luna. We're going to the moon. Maybe it's going to be all over the place. But I'm surprised that it's had this run. And the only people that have mentioned this stonk is only in Discord for the most part. Well, maybe I don't read like crazy chats, but this thing really hasn't had like the runs. I mean, look at top, for example, right? Top has gone up 100% on no news, and then these guys are actually going to the moon, and it's still just yeah. For now, again, so we broke above $4, which is really nice. Our next resistance is at $4, and like I mentioned earlier, right there. So right here ish, right there. Alrighty. Initially, we had a bit of support at that range, and then we went up and failed at that level. That's the last stop we tested before crashing to all-time lows. So now this morning, we've gone up to that exact same level, and then we've struggled, but it looks like it's breaking above it, right? So, yep, there goes new highs of the day for top. For Luna. Right? So I'm sure this is something that we're going to be talking about. It doesn't have the runs. The runs, when I say the runs, I mean like, know what I mean? Like, we're talking about the market, Dan. The market. Yeah, BTTR is on fire there, right? So these guys had news. Again, they're doing an acquisition, so the stock is pumping already. So, yep, pumping. I haven't looked at INBS yet, but I have not looked. BTTR. It's a very nice run. A very nice run for those of you guys that are. Why is it a good swing? Why is that a good swing? La, 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 la. Enters the GLP-1 pet market. That's a nice run. TradingView does these stupid things, like these two stupid glitches, and then I think the stock is halted, but it's not actually halted. Na, 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 na. On to the next, Justin. Good job. Good job. Let's see. Well done, well done, well done. I like the teamwork. Targets hit, Pyrus. Hopefully you took profits on that thing. Hopefully you took profits. And you didn't just diamond hand it. There goes BTTR, retesting the highs of the day here. 37 pennies. 37 pennies. 37 pennies. Yeah, Luna isn't able to hold that level yet, but yeah. Taking up on SpaceX now, like which was trying to launch rockets, and then they lost the damn thing. You took 640 a little late. No, that's okay, Pyros. You made money. Yeah, Pyros, again, make sure you join us in Discord, alrighty? Because you're missing out on stuff like that. Yeah, 430. Yeah, and then it popped again. Right, so there goes new highs of the day there for Luna. Yep. What else was I looking at here, actually? Has the juice. Let's go. 45. 45. And the cookies, of course. And the cookies, of course. Just want to see what the and there goes a drop. That's the one thing I don't understand about Luna yet. Jeff, what's your entry? You better have a really good entry on that thing. Better have a really good entry. Yeah, I'm just not sure. There has to be something we're missing with Luna. Like, I'm not sure why that thing hasn't had a crazy run yet. Maybe we're missing something. Missing something. Is many with floats of over have pumped. Exactly, Pablo, exactly, and that's why I'm not sure why that thing hasn't had a crazier run. Anyways, anyways, for now it's doing what it needs to do though, so that's good. There's NSTG on the left hand side. Yeah, it's curling really nicely there, Jerry. Nice curl. Just be mindful that like with the last time we did this, we failed at 26, 27. So just keep that in mind. Just that the social media hype hasn't started. Okay, okay. Yes. Next week. Next week. Next week. Yeah, no, I think you make a really good point though. They're not launching rockets, so the likelihood of something going wrong when they're launching their own rockets is pretty damn high versus versus going on a rocket from someone else that's been to the moon. That's been launching rockets. So we call them rockets, but mm, I just want to see what these bits are. Yeah, Jeff. Pablo moved on to Earth is flat. The Earth is flat. Review. My goodness, my broker is very slow. Like it's ridiculously slow. Anyways, hi Didi. I went to the bathroom, Moon. Good morning, pizza. La 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 la. Let me see. Yeah, I don't know if you responded, Jeff. You should have a nice entry. Um, let's go, Pyros. Pyros, welcome home. Welcome home, Pyros. Welcome. Na, na, na. There we go. Let me get you an invite here. Let me get you an invite. I think yesterday was. It's always fun when we can just hang out in Discord as well and just spam charts. Justin. Ayo, Chase. Ayo. Good to see you. How are you? So Pyrus, click this link at the bottom of the chat. That's your invite. So click that link and then follow the steps in the getting started channel. 136 last March. Specs were out of control. May never get that high again. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it was your best trading day yesterday. Let's go. Uh, this month with okay, yeah, this month with SYRA was fun. Good chase. Good to see you. Streaming on YouTube is better for everyone. Yeah, yeah. Well, yeah. OPGN, Musty. Let me take a look. Yeah, again, Luna is going to be something we talk about a lot more closer to next week. So BTTR looks like it's dipping. All right, let's see if we get a higher low there. Let me take a look at. That's crazy, Dan, isn't it? Mm-mm. Nasty. Let me take a look at. What am I looking for here? So OPGN. Again, if I missed your question, which I did, I missed a whole bunch of questions earlier. If I missed your question earlier, please just go ahead and ask again. It's usually difficult to look at all the stocks we want to look at in the morning and answer questions at the same time, and then do other stuff as well. So let me know. Let me know if I missed your question and just yeah. Musty, is it a good entry here? I don't like that it was green and then went red. I would wait for that thing to get back above 40 cents, Musty. Also, that thing has 48,000 shares. Good morning, E. Ayo, ayo. Yeah, 48,000 shares, not a whole lot of volume. Spread is pretty crazy, so I would wait for a break above 40 cents. VCIG is going, isn't it? Watch, it's gonna go because why? Because we set an alert. It was a nice alert. We missed the damn alert, and the damn thing is never gonna go back to the price of the alert, is it? It's not, right? That was the alert right there for a reason. Most likely because breakout, because this was the previous high, right? So I think that's why we set that alert right there. So then we broke out right there. And then we said, you know what? Let's ignore the damn alert. For now, let's see what happens. I still don't like the volume as much. I think the volume is still kind of light, but looks like top is still holding the demand zone. Still giving us lower lows and lower highs though, so that's the problem there. JTAI announces partnership with FL3X. Cool. Yeah, that thing dropped. In AOV, looks like Luna is back to 437. 437. Did you pick up? Yeah, four. It looks like 420 was the bounce zone there. That thing, people will continue to buy the dips on that thing just because they know there's a catalyst coming. So Luna is at 440 now, highs of the day. So yup, yup. If you're holding Luna, type in yes in the chat. Another 15 cents, beautiful. If you're holding Luna, type in yes in the chat. I want to see all these people that want to go to the moon, you know? All these people that want to go to the moon. Two point. There goes on the left hand side. That's NSTG, by the way. Yeah, 28 cents there for NSTG. 28 cents. Fly me to the moon, Nicholas. Cool. Means I don't care. No, it does not. You know what? You know what? I will go look. I will go look. Okay. There goes Luna, new highs. I will go look to prove Pablo wrong. Okay. What's the name of the stock again? Anyways, rubbish. Unbelievable. Look at what's that alert? Is that another alert? Oh, that's an alert. That's an alert, guys. That's an alert. VLCN, the one that we've had on the watch list. Oh, that's an alert. That thing is gaining some vibes. Will it actually hold those vibes though? That's the question. I want to see that thing consolidate above 250. I want to see it consolidate above 250. Unbelievable, Pablo. Unbelievable. Let me see here. New highs, INBS. I'll take a look. Hmm. To do the holo reverse split thingy? Yes, exactly, Pablo. We've been waiting for this, right? So the question is, can the volume come in for VLCN, right? Reverse split holo thingy. Love it, love it. Now, can we get a fat green candle? Can we get a fat green candle? Na 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 na. A fat greedy candle? Nah, nah. Let's see. Can you please check AI, Richard? You have it at 29. I will. I'll take a look. I will take a look. Ski. Let me look. Let me look before before somebody says. So you got in at $29. $29. Okay. So you have it at 29. Did you buy that thing today, Richard, or did you buy previously? If you bought that thing today, and you're gonna require mandatory one-on-one, no questions asked. Let me know. Did you buy that thing today, or were you holding it already? Let me know. La 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 la. TCBP. La 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 la. Mm, 30 cents NSTG. You were holding it already? Okay. Um, oh, here we go, guys. Here we go. 260. Come on. Go, go. VLCN. VLCN. Go, go, go. The float is super light too. So that thing, if that thing can give us a halt up, Pablo, that would be amazing. That would be amazing. Yeah, the good and bad with like a low flow like that is that it's all over the place. Yeah, like it's all over the place. The candles are wild, wild. Who was short the S&P? The people that like pain. The people that like pain is who? Let me see here. Uh, INBS, the best stock so far. Fine, I'll look. NSTG looks beautiful though. Looks beautiful. Yeah. So with AI, Richard, your entry is at resistance. I can see where you bought that thing last time at 29. It's at resistance. So yeah, slow and steady, Nemo. Take it. How do I find the scanner with the alerts you use? So like no, so these are just stocks that I look at and then I set alerts on TradingView. Okay, so these are not like special alerts like on a scanner. I just look at the stocks and I set alerts for the price that I want, and then go from there. Yeah, it's not like a special thing. I've also mentioned the alerts though, like in Discords for the most part. Already. So la, 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 la. So yeah, Richard, I would make sure you don't go back to $20. Okay, let me take a look at INBS. INBS does look really nice. That was a really good breakout, by the way, at $4.50 sender. Jay, also, I know a few of you guys have mentioned this one. Yeah, it was a really nice breakout. A really, really nice breakout. Let's see here. Na, 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 na. In top 60. Okay. Yeah, and then I'll take a look at CXAI. CXAI. I will look. I will lookies. Mm-mm. Let's see. Hmm. Do, 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 do. I just need to move a stop on something here really quickly. Preview. My goodness, my broker is absolute rubbish. Anyways, anyways, do the thingy, Pablo. Do the thingy. It's doing the thingy, guys. It's doing the thingy. It's doing the thingy. Come on, do more of the thingy, Pablo. Do the holo thingy. Do the holo thingy. Go VLCN, go. Oh my goodness, my broker is absolute rubbish. Fives and ones. Could you please look at holo? Thinking of trying to play the play. It does need more volume, yeah, it does. It does. Let's see. That's it. Do the thingy. It does need more volume. I am surprised the volume is that low on that run. But then again, it's a very yeah, it's a very small float. So yeah, we'll see. What's the moving average at actually? Okay, yeah, that's a nice little supply zone. Okay, I need to stop watching that and just set a stop loss. Uh, any thoughts? You bought in a 15 cents mark. Congratulations. Congratulations. Uh, 50. There we go. So we'll come back to this when it decides to curly curls to the upside. Let me look at some of these questions because I've missed a whole bunch. Any thoughts on NSTG? You got in at 15 cents. Well, I think you've doubled your monies, right? You can take half of your gains and then maybe keep the rest. Mark is what I would maybe think of doing. Then make sure you set a stop loss on the rest. Don't just keep it, please. Alrighty. Yeah, don't just keep the rest. Make sure you set a stop loss. VCIG. Yeah, we had a beautiful alert. Stuff like that is very annoying. Stuff like that is very annoying. When you prep and then you don't execute, it's like, what are you prepping for then? 6:30 and reversed. Getting good at this, Jay. Good job. Good job. Good job. Nicholas says, can you take a look at Holo? Of course. You're looking for an entry into Holo. So yesterday we kind of sold off to this like same range for Holo, and then we bounced, right? So like you look at that level into the end of the day. I would be careful with Holo though. It's the weekend. It's Friday. People might start thinking of locking in profits. But if you do want to play with this thing, Nicholas, again, be very careful, please. That thing is dropping like a tomato, right? If you play with this thing, make sure it stays above $18.70. If it goes below, so again, this price might be okay around 19. Just make sure you have a tight stop loss. Do not let it go below $18.70. Otherwise, you then have a problem. Is what I would be doing there. I'm just scrolling up here. So I'm in top, looking for a move. What do I think? You're in top. You should be green. You're nice and green now for top, Frank. So congratulations. Right, this was a beautiful demand zone. Right, since pre-market, this level has been nice. Right, look to the left-hand side. This is the level that it popped from pre-market, and it came back down to that same level, and it's been holding. So for now, just slowly move that stop loss up, Frank. The shininess on your shirt looks. It does. Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Yeah, it's the. Yeah, it does look nice. Yep. Again, if I missed your question, I'm sorry. Just make sure you go ahead and ask again. Yeah, top is looking nice. We're just filling out a nice little wedgie wedge there. Yeah, VLCN, it looks good. It just needs more volume. It doesn't have very much volume at all. It's gonna need more volume, and it's gonna need to get above 270. It's gonna need to get above 270. So break above 270, a bit more volume. See, if this wasn't the weekend, this would be nice actually to go into the rest of the week with something that's bottomed out potentially, and it's getting a bit of like vibes. This would have been really good if it wasn't like the weekend. For now, again, it's bounced off the bottom, right? We had an alert. The alert executed, right, and it popped. So these alerts are very good, right? You don't have to be watching the stock, guys, right? We don't have to be watching it like, oh my goodness, VLCN, right? We've had two alerts that have done really well. So VLCN and VCIG, which is interesting that they all start with V's, two alerts with V's, and they both have C's in them. And yeah, crazy. Yeah, agreed. If we can find a way to get above 270, I think that'd be a good thing. For now, not quite yet. So we'll leave it on the site. Again, that thing needs more volume. It's gonna need some volume. Hopefully, we can find a way to stay above these levels, though. Otherwise, it just goes up and down for no reason. So yeah, so for Holo, just make sure we stay above that 19 to 18 1880ish, 1870. Recent stock splits and set alerts. Exactly, Pablo. Exactly. Right. Exactly. Agreed. And again, that list of recent splits was posted in Discord. Right. You don't have to play with these names though. You just have to set those alerts. Alrighty. Don't have to. Wait, what is that? Hmm. Okay, yeah, Samuel, I'll take a look. CXAI. What's your entry? What's your entry? I don't want to pay attention to stuff. My broker won't let me set an. They won't let me sell stuff, and they won't let me set a stop loss. But like due to technical issues, you are unable to. I don't care about your technical issues. You kidding me? Canada. What the hell is going on? Pretty stupid. This is how you end up losing out on gains or like losing monies because of stupidity. We're sorry, but the system is unavailable. Servers will be restored soon. Please try again later. You can try these. Oh my goodness. Anyways, yeah, Holo is bouncing off that support. Of that support, Rich, Nicholas. I don't know if you took the position. Did you take it? No, TD. Oh my goodness. uh 20. Oh, I thought you would take it closer to 19, but you're green though. It's at 21 now. It's at 21. 21. Can you do some for me? NSTG still looks really good actually. And then yes, let me take a look at. Yeah, that was a nice bounce. Let me take a look at. I know. CXAI. Some reason there was a delay. Okay. So you got in at Samuel. You said you got in at 137. Okay, so you're just getting in now. Just getting in now. Yeah, the bottom is quite far down, isn't it? On all the time frames. I mean, it's not that extended though. Like if that thing can just stay above $1.30, I think you're fine for now. I think you're fine for now. AMC's up. Huh. These dudes are very stupid. Very stupid. How do you do like stuff on when the market is open is what I don't understand. I just want to set a stop loss, idiots. It does on down detector. It says everyone is having issues. Yeah, people can make yeah. Like I can't do anything. I can't do anything, which is stupid. The good thing is I'm still green and that I'm green, so that's the good thing. But if I turn red, then it's not going to be a good thing because I don't want to go red. Didn't get my profit. It didn't even show up. It didn't even show up. Are you using TD as well? Oh my goodness. This is all Canadian people, guys. Canada will do maintenance in the middle of the day when you're trying to make trades. But you can't sell. Exactly. We accept donations. Switch to IB. Yeah. By Schwab. That's the American side of Pyros. Yeah. It's not fun. It's not fun because you just lose out on profits or you lose out on stuff you weren't supposed to. Like it's just yeah, because when the market is closed, seriously, when we'll never. They just had to do it, right when I was about to sell a position. They just had to do it then. Please. I used to invest in Canada before it was communist. Yep. They're like, ooh, what are you playing with? Okay, let's na 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 na. Screwed. America is two now. America. To be fair, everybody's screwed. So, anyways, yeah, no. Top is still holding $6, which is good. Samuel, you're still okay with CXAI, which is what's INBS doing? INBS. Yeah, 610. Yep. Nice little dip skis, and then it's curling back up. Curling back up. What the hell is going on? Uh, the look of disgust on your face is possible. Seriously though, like what the hell? I was sorry, but I don't. Yeah. Anyways, green on all your positions. Yeah, beautiful. Love it. Love it. Yeah, all those Bitcoin names. Greenies, greenies, greenies. When Bitcoin above 50. Yeah, the entire crypto watch list is green, which is good. Which is good. La 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 la. The only regret is selling Wolf and not buying back. Na 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 na. You ate at 25 cents DP and hang out. I'll take a look. I'll take a look, skis. What about? I went in the red yesterday after trading a firm earnings. So you today stay green, stay green, stay green. INBS. Yeah, that thing needs to give you a higher, a little higher high there, above like 570. Let me look at Hangouts. Let's see the Hangouts. Caribbean. See, that's where we need to go, Pablo. Set a record for in the country's history in Caribbean destinations. Let's go. That looks beautiful, by the way. Everybody loves DR. Dang. Beautiful. Next vacation, Pablo. Why doesn't it even? La, la, la. Let me take a look. BTTR. Is it about to go boomskis? It's consolidating above the 50, so that's good. As long as it stays about 26, 26, 27 must be. If that thing clears 30 cents, yeah, I think you might be ready for some boomskis. Your N, can it curl? It is curling, right, DP? So as long as it stays about 26 to 27, then you're fine. About 30 cents, then you're really fine. So it's trying. 26.9. 26, 20, 29, 29, 29.9. There you go. See, here comes 30 cents. Is it going to break though? 30 cents. Break and hold. So yes, it looks good. It goes 31. Ooh, BTTR. 31.40. 32 cents. Oh my goodness. Send it. Send it. Yeah. No, no, no. Hmm. Well, yep, 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 yep. Yep, yep. Who is a disco ball? Me. You guys can really see the like the thing. Interesting. Come on, 33. Yeah, that thing just needs to stay above 30 cents then. Mm. It reminds me of the stupid commercial, INBS. Yeah, irritable. Don't say that too loud. Dan is gonna. La, la, la. What is the master plan this weekend? Minus 16. Yeah. Yep. Let's see if Gary picks up. Gary. Mm. What do you mean, Jeff? Oh my.
authentication, and to confirm our discussions with you. To confirm your identity, we may need to send you a one-time passcode to a phone number on your online profile. Do not share this code with anyone except the TD agent that's deceived you. We will never call you for this code. Standard messaging rates may apply. All of our representatives are busy assisting other customers. The current wait time is approximately 10 to 15 minutes.
They're like, you have to wait 10 minutes. I just hung up. You have to wait 10 minutes, guys. That's all good. Six incoming, INBS. INBS. Yeah, Sun really hasn't done anything, has it? Yeah, it looks like it's slowly curling there. Slowly curling. Yeah, need that $6 level there, Justin. Looks good though. Looks good. What's VLCN doing? Still holding? Yeah, still holding. Still holding. Still holding. There goes $6 for INBS. 605. Guess why? Because you brought him in, Pizza. Oh my goodness! You know what? You know what? You know what? Look at this headline. Something about them like having flu outbreak. There's a flu outbreak. So is he not gonna play? Is he gonna play? I don't know. Peter bought him. Yeah, he did. He did. So yeah, no, IMBS looks good. If we can break above 620 and stay above 620. Dangers of early transfer. Who is injured though, Stuart? Do you see anybody? Why does it take 100 years to for this to work? 100 years. Play with play with the sniffles. Yeah. Bradley is still missing. Okay, that's good. That is good. Let him be missing. As a matter of fact, don't find him to the rest for the rest of the season. Today from our trading, that will indicate. Okay, good. With flu. Yep. I want to know if Trent is an issue. Do we need to sell him or do we keep him? That's the problem. That is the problem. But I get a cold and I cry like Ronaldo. Yep. Anyways, so yeah, top is holding the 200 and it's going back for that previous high 670. Toppies. Yeah, 666. Yeah, I always just round these things like 670. Yeah, 666. Hmm. La la la. So trading next week, still away since okay. I see. Good. Stay away. Stay away. Dang. It's weird how stuff like that happens, Pablo. Very sad. At the time where he was starting to shine. Sheesh. Can imagine the yeah. Getting signal alerts in for stocks this morning about getting signal alerts in stocks. When I say signal alerts, Jeff, like, are you in you're in Discord, right? So, um, I think I was talking about alerts, like setting alerts. Is what I talked about, I think, Jeff. Um, yeah. I've been slacking in those signals because the market has been weird. Also, just because there's so much going on, way too much on the list to do. Right. So, but we will get back to when the market is a little bit settled for these names. We'll get back to signals for sure. For sure. Just yeah. Right after. Oh my goodness, Pablo. Yeah, that is very sad. His wonder performance against Chelsea. Yeah, yeah, because for most of these kids, like the dads will for years and years and years, right, drive them to all these, especially in the UK. I feel like all these games all over the place. So that is nice for him to see. Was using my chip too soon, although it did reward, but still learning process. Yeah, Pablo. Yeah, Peter. Yeah, yep. Yeah, you definitely use your chips. Have you used the other one, the other card? Do you have any left? You should have one left. Yeah. I'm not Pablo. Yeah, Peter Pablo. Uh, let's see. Loving it. Come on, VLCN. Give us that run. Like, give us. Okay, we're matching the volume, though. The volume is slowly coming in. Nunez owners, once again, there's more. He missed that. Then clinical. Oh, wow. Okay. I see. Hmm. Loving it. Yeah, Pete, Blaze has also his FPL load. I'm not. It's well. I shouldn't say it's not over yet, but ooh, here we go, guys. Give us that 270. Break, 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 break. See, my stuff is still not working. This thing is gonna go to $5, and I won't be able to sell it. It worked for a second, and then it stopped working. Here we go, 270. Come on, break, 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 break. If you're holding VLCN, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes if you're holding this stock. Yes, let's go. Come on, send it. Maybe I should have waited for the stupid 10 minutes, and been able to yeah, Jody, let's go. Send it for us, please. Send it. See again. Hopefully, you guys kind of see like what we mean by you don't have to play with these things, please. Like again, this was something that was clearly on our watch list the entire week. We never played with it until today, though. Why? Because today was the day that it went from red to green. So we don't care when stuff is crashing. We don't care, right? We never really cared about well, we cared about holo, but holo had to go from red, 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 red for multiple days and then green. So VLCN, same thing, right? We set the alert for when it crossed from red to green. Um, so there is a double top here at 270, so it's going to need to break above that level. If not, then it has issues. But yeah, it needs to clear 270. So make sure you move your stop losses higher. The stupid thing about stuff like this is there's no catalyst, and the spread is crazy, and the volume is light. So hopefully it can pump and then halt up, and then the rest is history. So make sure you don't go red, please. In his other league, from champ to champ. I know, Stuart. Slim Jim, let's go, Sana. Yeah, I've used my weight on the other three chips. Yeah. Let's go. Dominican Republic. Yeah, INBS is loving this. The scanner's loving INBS there. So there goes highs of the day for INBS. So $6 and 650 your next resistance. That's a really nice push. And there goes 660 now. New highs of the day INBS. Ooh wee, my goodness, my goodness. Hmm, crazy. Wow, 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 wow is right. Look at that thing go 680. Justin, that's crazy. Pirates, did you sell too? Yeah, I think there goes 690, 140%, 140. So VLCN again we like, but it's still sitting at 270. So it's gonna need to clear 270. I mean, I do like that at least we went from red to green, guys. So we had that alert all the way down there, right? I do like that we dipped, we consolidated, and then we went green, and we've stayed green the entire time for VLCN. So I'm hoping that thing breaks out though, and just sends it. La Senza. Anyways, so INBS still at 690. There goes $7. Ooh wee. Yeah, it has to hold. Then educated for more, educated for more. Yeah, that thing did a really good job holding on that last candle, and then new candle, new highs. We broke it. Let's go. Come on, send it. Ye. I would like for the bids to catch up though, because the bids are still way below 670. Can my broker work? Like, can they do some work? And can they do the work at the right time? Like, who does stupid stuff like that in the middle of unbelievable? Good morning, Joseph. La, 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 la. Yeah, the blank game week is a problem because then you have a double and then a blank game week. Like that's the most annoying thing ever. Because then you're trying to navigate, bringing in players that don't even play the next week. So that in itself is a whole issue. A whole issue. My goodness, INBS has been spamming the scanner channel there for quite some time now. In the momentum scanner. Spy hit 500. Yeah, it just seemed like it was a given, right? It was a given. Is to roll in 25 and have two free transfers to deal with four blanking players that you have. Okay, nice. Nice. Oh, loving it, guys. Loving it. Loving it. VLCN. I'm liking it. Okay. The fact that I can close out this position and it's doing well is a good thing. Okay. It's a good thing. So we needed to keep going. So nobody sell till I sell. Okay. Nobody sell. So make sure you don't sell. Hold the line until my broker works. And then once I sell, I'll let you know. I'm kidding, by the way. Make sure you have a stop loss. Do not go red to green, green to red. If you go from green to red, I will say congratulations. Pyrus, you missed it already. Halfway there? Come on, we need $3. Unbelievable. Is this stuff working yet? Hmm. My goodness. Pedro is injured. Oh my goodness, that's another issue. The one good thing though is that I have two free transfers. Uh, okay, okay. I can set a stop loss now, guys. I can set a stop loss now. Uh, not screwed. Here we go. Come on, give us more. Give us more. Give us more. Give us more. There we go. 275. 275. 275. Na 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 na. Mm, I'm hoping we can stay above 270 at least. Stay above 270. Uh-oh. Okay, there we go. Some volatility. Volatility, TTT. Come on. Don't be slacking. Yeah, 275 looks like it's a problem there, doesn't it? 275. Good thing the deadline is tomorrow, so hopefully we get some pictures, Pablo and Stuart. Hopefully some team pictures. Let me know if you see anything, Stuart. Because these dudes need to go. My goodness, the momentum scanner just decided to and rotating. Okay. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, that's fair. That's fair, Virus. Hmm. Yeah, we'll see. It's a pretty stupid drop. Pretty stupid drop. Well, now let's stay above 260, please, and thank you. Please and thank you. The spread is the issue here is the ridiculous spread. Ask at 74, bid at 60, 60. Look at that. It just skipped back to almost 70, right? Like the spread is pretty stupid. Pretty stupid. Uh, Gomez so far, they already Konate. To be out with the Flus, you only have Bradley. Okay. Yep. Yeah, yeah. See, like that thing is already back to 270. I hate stupid candles like these ones. I think it's just unnecessary. Unnecessary. Kevin, RI. Okay. ROI. What's Luna doing? Luna is not doing much. Not doing very much. Still holding 420 though, but still. BTTR sold off. TCBP, never a chance. ILAG, weak sauce. As soon as it goes below the lows, it's weak sauce. INBS though is still fighting him. Still fighting. VLCN back to 270. 270. Uh, hmm. Yeah, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. Smash a like if you haven't. Hit that subscribe if you're new, and look at it pop 274. If you're not a member yet and you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Come join us. So yeah, like these candles are stop loss haunt candles, and just like that, we're back to the highs almost. Back to the highs almost. I think needs a bit more volume. A bit more volume. Uh, doo-doo-doo. Perfect. Doo-doo-doo-doo. What type of flag is that on the SUNW 5 minute chart, Khalid? I say it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter what type of flag it is. Um, it does not matter just because flags will kind of trick you. Yeah, this to me doesn't matter, right? Your main concern here for this stock should be breaking above resistance, right? There's resistance at 21 cents. It's been there since pre-market. So pre-market, it's the DR flag. You have almost a triple top and a lower high, right? So whatever flag you're seeing there on whatever time frame that is, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter one bit. It needs to clear resistance. You know. Oh, no, 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 no. 650. Okay. Hold the line. Hold the line. VLCN still holding the line. Still holding the line. Are and such important to learn. Usually, just EMS resistance. They all are. Like anything you learn is important, right, Nemo? So the main issue though is most people will learn a specific candle pattern and then focus on that and say, you know what, every time I see this, I'm gonna buy. Every time I see this, I'm gonna buy this. But no, like the key is to learn all like as much as you can and then combine all of that together, right? Like if I see a doji candle as we're testing a 200 EMA or in a demand zone at a triple bottom, blah 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 blah, then like that's a good thing. If you can combine a whole bunch of things together, then that would be amazing. You're on the wrong accounts. Yeah, you're on the wrong accounts. But 32 months. Oh my goodness, virus. 32, 32. Let's go, virus. To 32 more months of chaos. Let's go. Thank you very much, virus. And to spike crashing. There goes 275 for VLCN. Oh, that thing is looking better, isn't it? 275. Come on. Give us the rally. Give us the explosion. Come on, E. Come on, come on, come on. Send it. See, the good thing though here is that it's able to come back to the highs. Yeah, stock is like building a house. You don't just learn how to use a hammer or a screwdriver. You need to learn as much as about exactly, Justin. Exactly. It's a really good analogy, right? You have to, yep. It's like when you're going to a party, right? You can't just learn one dance move. You can't just learn the warm. You have to learn the thrust as well. And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. And then the warm. Uh, and then the Bigfoot dance. All the dances. Anyways, and then the DR dance. You know, with the twist and the spin. Anyways, the Carlton exactly. Whereas 3 years, 3 years, that's a damn long time. I don't know what we've been doing for 3 years, but I don't know what we've been doing, virus and pizza. Oh no no no! How to use a screwdriver or a hammer? What does he do? Does it know? You'd be surprised. Actually, I can use all the tools. Anyways, oh 76. Let's see. Good morning, Troy. Good morning. Here goes 277. There goes 279. Incoming. 280 incoming. The spread is still a little bit ridiculous. So it skips back and forth. Oh, Pablo, what happened? New highs of the day. INBS. Beautiful. Right, that breakout was actually quite nice. The breakout, and then look at that retest. Look at that little green line that goes across. Look at the retest right there. Right here, right? And then boom skis, new highs. So whether you bought the breakout or you bought the break or you bought the retest, either or, it's done really well. Come on, Pablo, do the thingy, do the thingy. VLCN, do the thingy, do the thingy. Uh-oh. Is it this same one though, Pablo? I think it's this one. I think it's this one. 277. Has big call on Alisa 8. At least 8 versus Ben. Oh my days. Wow. Really? 8? Never mind then. I wish I could roll a transfer and have like 3 transfers. Okay, because at this point, there's no point. Let me copy link. 279. Oh my goodness, that thing wants to break out. Look at the bits that are coming through now. Oh, there's a big bid at 279. That thing is gonna crush 280. It goes 280. It's gonna crush it like a can. Crush the can. People with the flu chicken. Yep. Yep. Come on. You got your 280. Let's go, Justin. There goes the break for now. For now. Na 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 na. For now. Is that the wrong thing? There goes 281. Yeah. Again, don't go red, please. Don't go red. You missed this one? Yeah, that's okay. No soccer, no gym, no stream, no nothing. No, nothing. Unbelievable. Let's see. INBS looks beautiful, doesn't it? So that thing hit $7, 720, and then backed off a little bit. So, yep. You're in at 74. What's the resistance, Frank? Don't go red, or at least have a stop loss, please. You want that thing to stay above 270 for now. Alrighty. When it comes to resistance, honestly, like this is it's a split name, so we're looking at like weird levels. So we can use FIPS if we want to, but yeah, just pick a stop loss at a stop loss, and then go from there. What's top doing? Hmm. Top is just kind of chilling there, doing nothing, but holding $6, which isn't too bad. Which is not too bad. $10 for INBS. Okay, it's trying. It's trying. Okay, let me look at this other one. Yes, that's not what I want, is it? Wasn't that the link that Pablo sent? Uh, Like how my browser will ask, "Are you sure you want to go to this site?" Yes, I'm sure. Are you sure you want to visit this site Pablo is sending you? No thanks. Without 8 players, my goodness, that's a lot of players. I hope we get pictures because I really hope we get pictures. Like it you did, Peter? Oh wow, for his birthday? Oh, that's amazing. Dang. Let's go. Like the next game? Oh yeah. We can't wait for pictures, pizza. Send pictures. That's amazing. He's gonna have a lot of fun. A lot of fun. Na, na, na. Yeah, Liverpool. Yeah. 8 players is a lot. My goodness. From the Asian Cup, and could plays proved extremely short-lived as he suffered a cruel setback. La 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 la. Weaker position. Uh, la 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 la. Huh. Well, let's bring in Gerald then. Gerald into the fantasy team. Oh my goodness, look at INBS, guys. Dang, that thing really broke out and said bye. It really is giving those vibes, Justin. That's a very nice run. 180%. VLCN is looking really good. Really, really good still. So 280, 285. 14%. Keep sending in, Max. You want $10? Let's get $10. So funny enough, these two stocks are on the same. There goes 830. $10. Send it. Beautiful. Beautiful. INBS is just spamming all over the scanner. Like it is going off the scanner. Like the momentum scanner hasn't posted anything else. Like nothing else from the scanner except for INBS today. That thing is in love with the stock. VLCN is looking amazing, except for that one stupid scam candle. Right? That's why I said it was unnecessary. Like stuff like that is just not needed. Not needed. There goes 290. Oh my goodness. Went $3, guys. Went $3. Na, na, na. Na, na, na. Anita, Holo vibes. Holo vibes. Well, that's clearly INBS because that thing is on fire. Yeah, it's going for $9. Like it's up 200% now. Oh my goodness. IBS. You're calling it IBS or you just missed a letter? Impressive. Oh, there goes 990. 209%. There goes 990. Let me re-edit. Do do do. And then uh Let's see. Again, if you haven't smashed a like yet, guys, I would really appreciate it if you could take a second. If you could take a second and smash a like, that would be amazing. Thank you very much. There goes $9 for INBS. Oh my goodness, this thing is taking off now too, right? VLCN, 293. Did we miss this, guys? Did we miss it? We did not. Did we have to buy it and wait and wait and wait? We did not have to buy and wait either, right? We just had to set an alert and wait, right? So we knew that it would happen at some points. All we had to do was set an alert. Yeah, that was pretty stupid. This candle was pretty damn stupid. This candle was unnecessary. 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 Right? Then we got back above 275, so that was a sign that I wanted to keep going higher. But this candle, very unnecessary. Candles like that will piss you off. And then boom skis, it runs to the level we wanted initially, $3, right? Which is stupid. Yep. Yep. Let's see here. Oh my goodness, guys, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. $10. It's halted. 256%. It's halted. Oh my days. And the scanner's still going off in Discord. La 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 la. Um, la, la. Here you go. Let's go. This got you out, but then you bought back in. Okay. Yeah, it's still going, isn't it? Look at that. VLCN is going for $3 now. Oh my goodness, $2.99, and there's $3. Damn, VLCN, $3. $3. 307. VL. There we go. Love it. Oh, and now we're squeezing. So the other one's halted. So now we now everybody is well, again, please do not go red. 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 Please. Please do not go red. Alrighty? Please. Actually, I'm in a to switch to a cash account where they trades don't count. Busy. Yeah. Uh, Music is horrible, especially if you're not Albanian. Oh my goodness, Pizza, are you hearing this? Albanian hip hop is horrible. Oh my goodness, Pizza is about to roast you. Roast. No, if you're holding INBS, congratulations. Still no signs, Pablo. Hiding. No, again, if you've made monies in VLCN, right? Congratulations. If you're still holding, or if you've made monies in INBS, congratulations. No, not sure about the time yet, JA. Let's wait and see. Yep. Let me know. Yeah. Hmm. Uh, no, Peter. I just wanted you to roast. Unbelievable. Uh, you can pay and exactly. Exactly, Pablo. Bottom line is with discipline, you can pay your month's subscription and have plenty left in gains. Absolutely, Pablo. Absolutely. VLCN is on fire now. Look at that thing go, guys. 25%. Did we miss this, guys? We did not. Did we miss it? We did not miss. So that's a really nice run up. Nah, nah, nah. There we go. Yeah, that wick at the bottom was pretty stupid. Anyways, there goes INBS on halted and dipping a little bit there. On halted and dipping. You had to come back for this, David. Let's go. 16% says meh. When did I say meh, Jeff? When? When? Uh, you did, Virgo. You had to choose one or the other. No, either way, whatever you choose, honestly. Either way, they both printed, so that's amazing. And look at that, look at that. IMBS just hit $11. Oh my days, that thing is on fire. Oh my goodness, $11. That thing really does have holo vibes, doesn't it? Holo vibes. Nothing happening with you're looking at top. Okay. Holo vibes. Oh yeah, the captain is absolutely loving INBS today. I've never seen it happen like that though, where like it just spams one stock. It's ignored everything else and it's only spamming one stock only. One stock. It's only spamming one. Oh my days. Huh, interesting. Let me see here. I wonder if we had a glitch or if we fixed something here actually. So, anyways, you want to see when not that it wasn't spam. So again, everybody was spamming. Justin's been spamming this in Discords. INBS, right? Pepe's been spamming this in Discord. Greg has been spamming. I just want to show the scanner instead, right? So that's the scanner, by the way. Look at that, right? It was spamming it this morning, right? It said, "Hey, please pay attention to this. It's at $4.30. Hey, 4.50. Hey, 5.60. Hey, 5.80. Hey." Right? So again, it's been spamming in Discord. So this is not something that you can say we missed either, right? There it goes. It's at $11 now, 286%. 286. Right? So that thing is on fire. On what? To Valhalla. Uh, that's not what I want, is it? La, 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 la. Here we go. So if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Come join us in Discord. When you see something spamming like that over and over, it's usually a sign. You got in at 5:15. That's a really good entry, right? When you see something spamming like that, it's usually a good thing, right? It means it has the momentum. So Not when it spams once, maybe. When it spams once, you don't have to play with it. But when it's constantly going off, there might be something there. So, yep. Can't work since this morning because of you're making more, Richard. That's good. That's good. There's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that at all. Do I think it's a good to buy raw? Again, the best thing for you to buy right now is become a member. Come join us in Discord. Become a member and come join us in Discord. Click the link there from Nightbot. You're asking me if it's okay to buy something that we've been talking about from $5 to $6 to $7 to $8. So you're asking me if you should be buying at $11, right? That's not an answer I can give you. You just have to make that decision. Yeah. Just don't wait for the after it's up 800%. Exactly, Pablo. Right? It's that thing has been it's been spamming and pumping and pumping and pumping, and then yeah, it doesn't mean it's done. Like, it doesn't mean it's done. The chances of you buying at $11 and it dipping, though, they become quite high, right? So they become quite high. Luna is testing the highs. Love it. Yeah. Yep. Na, 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 na. Nah, nah, nah. There goes INBS with the dip. Look at that. If you bought that thing at $10 or $11, what would happen now? But Blaze said it's okay to buy at $11. What is it doing now? Why is it crashing, guys? But I thought it would. I thought. But yeah. You just bought 100 at $10, JA. Well, you're down more than the price of membership for now. So again, maybe that membership you would have been in at $5 instead of $10, right? So I don't know what to tell you. You're okay buying something at $10 and then losing money when you could have been in at $4, $5, $6, $7, $8. Hopefully it goes back up though, because there's no point in anybody losing money. It brings no pleasure. So just saying. Anyways, just saying. La 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 la. Virus just took your money. Oh my days. VLCN had this vicious drop. Oh my goodness. That thing dropped all the way down to 68. Right. So hopefully you're securing profits. Alrighty. If you do become a member, make sure you sign up for the right level, please. Right. So again, the GOAT level, the Legend level, or the Discord community level. Anything else is not important. Alrighty. Anything. Oh my goodness. Look at the size of these candles. This is the danger of like stuff that's pumping without a catalyst. There's no catalyst. There's no catalyst, right? We're just playing sympathies. We're playing vibes, right? So you have to make sure you have a plan when you're playing with vibes, because the vibes can leave at any point. Yeah, sacrificial lamb, exactly, Chase. You probably should pick the legend level if you want to. If you want to get like those alerts, like scanners, like you have to sign up for the legend level or the goat level, one of those two levels. No, 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 short working, but waited for 2 hours before entering, David. Yeah. Anyways, I do hope we can consolidate here for INBS and then go back up towards $10. Towards $10. That was a really nice run. If you've made monies in VLCN or VLCN is going back up, of course, right? Try and do a little bit. The spread is crazy. If you've made monies in VLCN or INBS, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes. Your chimney and take all your cookies. Exactly, Troy. Exactly. Exactly. Yes, yes, yes. Love it. Rusty, love it. Justin, love it. Stop loss. Pepe, that's annoying. Si senor, si senor, love it. Pablo, focus, love it. Pyros, love it. Glad you're in Discord now, by the way. Let's go. You're making coffee? Okay. Well done, Frank. Love it. Money's twice, Richie. Love it. Stop losses. Love it. Virgo. Love it. Good job, guys. Well done. It's a good way to end the Friday, right? Good morning, Gary. Good morning, good morning. So again, you've either made monies in INBS this morning. Amazing run, right? From $3 to $11. Impressive, right? Or you've made monies in VLCN, right? We caught this one pretty damn early. Why? Because it was on the watch list and we had alerts, right? So from the 240s, from 240 all the way to $3 and 20 cents. So that's a pretty nice run. So people are taking some monies now. Let's see if we can find a way to consolidate and then go again. Top is selling off. This is the main reason why. This is the main reason why. Like Top was our number one name coming into the open, right? This is the main reason why I tend to ignore stocks as soon as they go below the low, right? So if I'm watching Top, right? If I'm watching Top, the reason I always say like, hey, let's wait for this thing to sell off is because I need a specific level to pay attention to, like this level right here. That's it. Once we get that first sell off, if we go below this level, I don't like it anymore. I don't like it anymore, right? Because to me, once you break below that low and you give me a lower low, this is what I expect now, right? Yeah, top was fun in the morning. It was up 200% or whatever it was. But as soon as it goes below that low, I don't like it, right? I'm always a lot more comfortable when you have that initial dip at the open because, like I said, you have that level to pay attention to, right? When you immediately pop at the open and it's pumping, it's like, okay, what do I do now? I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Like when a stock is when we open and it's just going boom skis, boom skis, boom skis. I'm like, I know it's coming. I know it's coming. So when do I buy before they take me to the abyss? Right? Don't like it one bit. So the fallback sellers are $10, increasing volume, all great signs. Yeah, no, again, like INBS still looks fine. I don't think we can really judge it based on like one sell off after a massive run, right? So if we can get back above $10, back to business, and some higher lows, back to business. Come on, send it. A good swing. Why is it a good swing, Pepe? Give me some details. Interesting. Uh, I see. Na 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 na. 30. Interesting. $9. Yeah, it's going for $10 again. It's going for $10. Will never let top get back to 250. I mean, it doesn't have to though, right? That thing went up quite nicely today. You just need 100%. That's it. So VLCN, let's see if VLCN can stay above 270, guys. Right? That was technically a breakout, wasn't it? So 270 retest. Let's see if we can stay above it. Right? Also, the test of the 200 wasn't too bad either. But yeah, let's see. Let us see. INBS, we're back to $10. Come on, $10. You need your $10. You need a $10 to get filled. Okay. Do tell. Do tell. Do do do. Do do do. There we go. Uh, how do you even remember that? Oh yeah, I mean it was a few months ago. Well, I guess yeah, it was a long time ago actually. I say a few months, but yeah, it was a long time ago. And VLCN losing all the gains, guys, all of it. I think said thank you. I came, I gave, and I said bye. And the INBS is back above our $10. Are the scanner alerts supposed to be in Discord? They are in Discord. Yes. You just have to make sure you have the legend membership. Anything below that doesn't get it. Sounds good, Jay. Take care as well. See you later. All right. You have to be a legend to see these alerts. Good job, Pyros. Well done. Alrighty. So yeah, you have to be a legend member to see those alerts. So like these like stuff like this, right? Yeah, you have to be a like $4, $5. You have to be a legend member to see them. I one second, one second. uh, the reason I'm not raw regrets. The reason I'm not giving you an answer is because um, I think we our community is based so much more on like education than like where do you buy, where do you buy. Like, are you gonna tell me where to buy? Am I gonna tell you where to buy? No, I don't want to tell you. I don't want to tell you when to buy something. Right. So if you do become a member of the community, you will learn a lot. Right. You will have a community, and we will always find the violence, the fireplace. Um, in terms of telling you when to buy, not always. Alrighty. So. Anyways, yeah, it looks like we're still holding 260 here for VLCN. So we can stay above that, maybe not too bad. Almost looks like a double bottom pivot, doesn't it? At 262. 262 has become a like a criminal level. What a scam. And INBS for now is failing at $10. So we're going to need to break above 10 and stay above 10. For break even, it didn't fail. Okay, it was close. It was close. Very close. And then pop. Yeah, 260. Yeah. Any hope for 30 cents, in my opinion? Let me take a look. BTTR should be somewhere here. For 30 cents, you're saying? If we can find a way to stay above, if we can find a way to stay above 23 cents, there's a chance, Justin. Only if we stay above 23 cents. Only if. I mean, I say 23 cents. Honestly, you can go up to 23.50. If we can stay above that, then not too bad. Teach me. La, la, la. Be the signal giver. Don't be lazy, signal greedy, but learn. Be the signal giver. Exactly, Musty. Right. So, yeah, you want to join the community so you can improve your, so you can be able to, when you leave a community or like when anything happens, you can say, you know what, I learned this and I learned this and I learned that. Right. Like I can do this on my own now. That's the type of stuff you will learn. Right. We focus on education more than like, yeah. Let's go look at that, Jay. Look at this. This is the type of stuff that like you want to hear, right? Jay says I made $1,000 on 3 scalps on INBS. I didn't tell Jay, hey Jay, go buy here, go buy there, go buy there, go make $1,000, right? Stuff like this is amazing, right? People making monies on their own is amazing. So La, 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 la. Isn't it bad to mimic traits because seconds make difference? Mm, I think I understand what you're saying. Um, I learned not to trust Mullen. Good. If that's the only thing, Gail, you learn. That's good. Uh, okay, sounds good. I learned not to trust Mullen. With what I've learned, to know when to look at that tracker. Um, I'm doing the right thing with. Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. Become a legend. Or become a goat. One of those two levels. Raw. And yeah. And once you join, there's actually a video in Discord how to play the momentum scanner. So that video should help you. We have a lot of great people here. We do. We have a lot of amazing people. Amazing, amazing people. Amazing people. Justin, let's go. Monies. Monies. Uh, if it was 100 shares and it was $1 each. Yeah, Mullen is trash. Mullen is trash. Yeah, no, Justin has been like a gem of an addition to Discord. An absolute gem. Gem, gem, gem. Justin fits in really nicely with like the selflessness in just helping others, which is always amazing. An absolute gem. Na, 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 na. There goes 1040, guys. That previous high was what, 1150. Okay, 1150. 1013, beautiful, love it. That was a really good play. Your stop loss was pretty damn close. There goes 1075. So INBS is looking nice, looking very nice. Yeah, 1033, nice, very nice. Uh, the video is available for Legend membership. It is raw. It is. It is. There goes $11, guys. Oh my goodness, INBS. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. 1150 highs of the day. Oh my goodness, Justin. Justin is gonna be pissed. No, he's not. Oh my days. So technically, that's a double top for now. Let's see if we can find a way to close above 1050, and then maybe that $15 really is coming, isn't it? I bet you the scanner is going off now too. La la la. 10 1160. La 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 la. There goes 1150 again. 1150. Luna's breaking out. Yeah, Luna looks nice actually. Yep. Luna looks nice. My goodness, INBS. $14 max. Max wants $15, guys. He wanted $10. Now he wants $15. Max, don't go red. Another scalp, 40 cents, Troy. Love it. You're in at 770. Oh my goodness, Chase. Any chance of a mini thrust when we can, William? Yes, we can. We can thrust. We can thrust, guys. Weekend thrusties. Let me get the beats. Are you guys ready? We need the thrust tunes. Okay. Come on, party people. You know what time it is, right? It's time to get up from your computers and give me some exercise. I wanna. I'm looking for the emojis. Let's go. It's Friday already. To the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. And what? Come on, go, 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 go. And what? When I say, and what? You say, and thrust. And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. Come on. To the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. And what? And thrust. Go, go, go Annette, go M, go Pyrus, and what? And thrust. Go, 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 go to the window, to the wall. When Lambo, come on, at night, to the sun. And what? Come on, and thrust. And what? And thrust. Come on, people. It doesn't matter where you are at the grocery store, in class, at work. Come on, put the pens down, put the grocery bags down. I want to see you thrusting. And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. And what? And go, go. Go, go, go. And go to the left, to the right, and what? And thrust. Go, skr, skr, go, 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 and what? And thrust. Let's go. That's that's our exercise for now. So looks like VLCN dipped hard, guys. Oh my days. This is why, again, please do not go red. Please, 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 please do not go red. Alrighty? Do not go red. These names don't have catalyst. They do not have catalyst. We're playing the vibes, right? We play the vibes, we leave when there's no more vibes. When you're green, everybody should have been green on this name. Everybody. Don't go red. Otherwise, you end up holding an unnecessary bag. It looks like it's bouncing, which is actually quite nice. Maybe that thing just came back to the demand zone or to test the previous double bottom. Maybe we should have gone back in, but don't go red, please. Much better. Let's go, William. Let's go. That's ILAG, by the way. Oh my goodness. Wow, 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 Justin. We missed this one. We missed that pump on a ILAG. Dang. That thing just sat there at the open, dipski, and then just sat there and then said bye. That's not too bad, actually. Not too bad at all. Hmm. Well, let's see if INBS can find a way to consolidate around $10 now. If it can, that would be a good thing. Already another higher low potentially here. Higher low, higher low, higher low. Got one last trade from, but I know, yeah. I no way, virus, no way. What did you buy at? Dang it! What did you buy at? Yeah, because that was a pretty nice run, right? From $2.40, 59. Okay, you didn't set a stop loss, virus. Yeah, because we went from 240 to like all the way up to $3.30. That's a pretty big run. Pretty big run. Uh, yeah. To the keyboard, to the screen. All your trades scream. Let's go. Diamond handeds. Oh my goodness, virus. Yeah, no. When stuff is pumping, I always find like the minimum take profit Yeah, you always have to find, like, let's say you're up $100. You always have to find a way and say, okay, you know what? Maybe I don't. If I lose the $100, I don't want to lose my monies, right? So okay, I'm gonna set a stop loss at break even. Oh, now I'm up at like 150. Maybe at least I want to get paid $50. Whoever took my money, can I have it back? Yo. La 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 la. Okay, sounds good. La 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 la. That's funny. La 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 la. Huh, interesting. 48. La 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 la. Interesting. Yeah, let's see if we can stay above $10. Yeah, that's a really nice bounce actually. I like that. I like it. I like it. Am I still logged in here? Still logged in here. Let's see. Connected. Microsoft. If it's not crashing, virus. If it's not crashing, I don't want to look. Is it crashing? Is it crashing? 26%. You're holding calls though, right? Let's see. 420. Okay. Crazy. Let's see. Now go all in. All in. Uh, la, 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 la. Nah. I hope it is. I some TSM, but going to hold them over the weekend. Okay. NVDA to 716, probably. It's 10 degrees plus in Toronto in February. The weather's actually been, except for like the if you think about it though, Sham, except for like the one blip, like the 1 week or the 2 weeks, right, of like extreme cold weather, the weather's actually been quite nice this year. Quite nice this year. So that's good. Good weather. Let's see. Do, 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 do. I hope we become like Florida, so nice weather all year round. Yeah, I mean you guys do have nice weather usually though. Anyways, yeah, there goes INBS, almost back to $11 here. Yeah, that $10 dipski was nice. It wants to go for 11.50 again, so that's good. Let's see. One second. Just one second. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Have a nice day. Okay, sounds good. Great weekend as well to you, Pepe. Enjoy. Yeah. See you. See you next week. See you in Discord. We're gonna try and do a class tomorrow, guys. So if you have questions, right? So if you have questions, technical questions, blah 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 questions, wife questions, husband questions, any questions you have, bring them tomorrow. We're gonna be in the Legend channel, in the Legend Voice channel tomorrow, around like 3 p.m. Eastern time. I'll post the time tonight or something. But you have to be a legend. Alrighty, it's a legend class. So, ready? It's a legend class. Any questions you have? Any questions? If you wanna get a six pack or like read double bottoms, um, come join us. So come join us. La 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 la. Why did your wife leave you? Questions, Koto? In the start, why? Oh, I see. Yeah, you can bring those questions too. Don't worry. We have relationship experts. It's a joke? Oh, it is? Oh, I see. I see. No. Let me see. 25. Okay. Hopefully INBS is like hopefully INBS is like the last two, the Holo and then the other one, right? They just Sarah or Sierra, whatever you want to call it. Let's see. What's let me see here, VLCN 222. That thing has to stay above 222, otherwise it becomes a huge problem. 222. It looks like it's gonna test it again, isn't it? I'm surprised it's that weak. But something that bounced. What chart is that? Interesting, actually. Nah, nah, nah. Is it coming back performance? What's your entry price? What is your entry? Okay, there we go. Nah, nah, nah. Okay. INBS. Yeah, nice little higher low, isn't it? So if we get back above like that white line, I think that'd be good. Na, 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 na. Scanner not working. Should be good. I never used to join you guys because of that one kid. Who? Kotso. Who? What happened? What happened? Who? Huh. Might have get an account for that broker, small cap shorts. Yeah, maybe. No. Yeah. Survivor in a few weeks. CBS screened the better this season. Last season, the first two voted out because they wanted. Unbelievable. Survivor is the best show. Survivor is the best show ever. Yeah, I can't wait for Survivor to come back on them. Can't wait. La. Disagree there. Follow. Uh, okay. Oh my days. Na. 50s. Okay, perfect. I disagree. On that, I can't remember his name. Well, Kota, no one's crying about monies. You disagree that it's the best show ever? Oh my goodness, there's a new season. No, it's coming out soon. You disagree that Survivor is the best show ever? How many seasons? Like 40 something. And yeah, and I don't. It's been a long. Yeah, yeah. Haven't missed a season of Survivor. Oh, Kitchen Nightmares. Yeah, 46. 46 starts this fall. This spring. Yeah, yeah. Is it just me and Jeff that watch Survivor? Nobody else watches Survivor? Is up there to Ghost Adventures. Yeah, there's some really good shows. Some really good shows. Like the Blacklist is pretty good. I just mean like in terms of consistency, for that many years to be consistent, uh, it's just yeah. Not that they have to do any work though. Like it's reality. So yeah, top is back to $6. It looks like we bounced off that demand zone, which is good. Which is good. Yeah, INBS needs to find a way back above. Let's see here. There we go. And I think Australia is slightly better than the South African one. Okay, they're okay. No, I've only seen the American Survivor. Well, the English one is rubbish. You don't think English like the UK? Yeah, I'm surviving myself. Don't want to watch. Oh, this faking survival. I know, Musty. I know. I just yeah. La, 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 let's see. Okay, what else? Uh, la, la, la. What number? Uh, Luna is moving. Yeah, Luna looks really good. Luna looks really good. So again, Mo, hopefully you took Luna. Otherwise, I'm gonna come find you. Luna looks amazing. So this is something we're gonna be watching next week because going to the moon. The stock is up 20%. Pablo has been spamming this for all week long, right? Below $3, this thing has been getting spammed in Discord. Luna, 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 Luna. So if you're in it, congratulations. So, yep. So maybe this becomes something that runs. Pablo can let us know exactly what date it is, or maybe it was posted already. By the hype sell the news. Alrighty, maybe we run into the event, and then if their mission succeeds, Luna is going to explode in the historic way. Yeah, that's the dangerous part, isn't it, Josh? And they should be able to succeed. My concern is it becomes just like anything else that we've talked about. Buy the hype, sell the news. Buy the hype, sell the news. Either way, most of you guys should be in really good positions because it's at the highest it's been since this was mentioned last week, right? So you should be nice and green on your position, and yeah. Um, and if we explode it before the event happens, just take profits or take some profits. You know, don't lose the rocket exactly. Again, the good thing is they're going up on a SpaceX rocket, so SpaceX has done like amazing things, so they should be fine. But still, just you just don't want to end up losing the monies. After a nice run up. After a nice run up, there goes Luna. Luna is pumping it. Ooh wee. 66, 69. And lift off. And lift off. Uh, Uh, top is bouncing. Yeah, 66. Yeah, let's see if we can stay up above this demand zone, above $9. It needs to curl though. BTTR is lifting off. Oh yeah, we stayed above 23, Justin. 23, we're back to 30 cents. Love it. Love it. So we eventually stayed above the level we wanted to stay above, right? That 23 cents. So actually 23.50, right? So we didn't even go all the way down to 23 cents. Now you have resistance at 30 cents. Well, you got what you wanted though, Justin. 30 cents. Nice lift off. Yeah, top is bouncing. It just has a lot of resistance at 610 though, so be careful. Lots of resistance at 610. Uh, la, 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 la. Okay. INBS will take off. I hope so. Take off like Luna and then land on the moon. Slow and steady. Maybe closer to the end of the day. Still quite early on. It's lunchtime, so maybe we get a lunchtime sell off. What's happening, Sammy? The damn thing sold off, right? The last hope for this stock is that it stays above 222. If it goes below 222, nasty, right? So again, we had a really good run with it, right? Really, really good run. Like from this price, we caught it from the very beginning because we had an alert, right? From this price all the way to that price, no way in hell you should go red. No way, Jose. No way. If you go red, it's greediness. Anyways, top still looks okay. Looks okay. And the INBS is dipping like a tomato. Tomato rock. Come on, curl here in the zone. Yeah, it's trying to. Well, not curling yet. Like it's getting in the zone. Yeah, $8.80 ish, all the way down there, dump. So it's a crazy wig. Quite the sell off. Yeah, so for VLCN, that thing needs to stay above 222, right? So if you're still playing with this or looking for an entry into VLCN, make sure that damn thing stays above 222. If it goes below, cry. Mera is bouncing. Nice. Mera is almost back to the. No, actually not. The one that looks really good though is CLSK. CLSK is almost back to the highs. Again, they beat earnings, crushed it, and then also Bitcoin looks good. So everything goods. Finalizing the day. Okay, sounds good. So yeah, let's see if we can stay above 880 here. It's not quite yet. Not really curling yet, is it? It is not. It is not curling. Going to hold my breath until next few pops. Yep. La, la, la. 98. Uh, la, la, la. La, 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 la. Yeah, yeah, musty. Yep. So it looks like VLCN is still holding, right? It's still holding 222. So stay above 222. two, until money, until because you got flagged. Uh-oh. Out of trades until Monday. Okay. Well, hopefully you sold some of it. Hopefully you took some profits and you're not just holding. And hopefully that thing pumps. Hopefully that thing pumps. Okay, sounds good. 23 focus. I like that entry. Good job. AUTL. What is this one? AUTL. I don't think I've heard of this stock before. That thing seems interesting. The candles are wild. Mm. Yeah, maybe that's just something we watch for a second. There's no price target for Luna really. There's no price target, guys. Um, yeah, just look at the levels, plan your trades. If it works out, it works out, right? Let me zoom out here for Luna. Look at the daily here. Again, keep in mind, like this thing has been pumping, right? It's not today that this has been mentioned, right? Pablo posted all the information in the swing channel last week, right? And the damn thing has been going up. So it's not today that this has been posted. So let's see, where's that? $5? And oh my goodness. So 520. 520 ish is the next resistance. Today all this thing needs to do is close above $4.30. No target to call, just levels to watch exactly. Right. So today all it needs to do is stay above that previous breakout zone. So $4 was nice. Let's stay above $5 for $4.30, and then 520 is your next resistance. Alrighty, alrighty, alrighty. Rubbish. Rubbish. 960. Yeah, that would be nice. If we can clear that 9 and stay above the 9, then that would be nice. I need to sneeze. Trying. It almost looks like we are holding that double bottom pivot at 850 there, Justin. 850. Hold. Hold the line. I'm just reading some of this stuff here. Cool. Oh, there goes your push. There goes your push. Dang, that's a pretty nice push actually. Yeah. 950. Yeah, we actually touched 950 on that candle. There it goes again. 952, 960. Ooh wee. Sheesh. Sheesh. It's a nice push. OKO's popping. Yeah, 960. That was a pretty nice dip though, wasn't it? See the curl? Retail, see the curl. This thing has no volume. Okay, yo. Okay, yo. Yeah, it popped to a triple top, quadruple top. I like it's a lot of resistance. $1.85, Richie. Nice pop though, but resistance. Oh, VLCN looks like it's about to be entered. I think it's about to. I think it's about to scream. Lord of Jesus. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Just be careful. Make sure you put a stop loss. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Justin. Yeah. I thought about it. I thought about just slacking today, but yeah. Okay. It looks like we're still holding 222. So 222 is the last line of defense. Last line of defense. Have a great weekend, Justin. Much love. See you later. Ready? Yeah, 222 is your last line of defense. So if you're playing with that thing, make sure you have a stop loss at 221. 221. Because if that thing goes below 222, say goodbye. 47,500. That's the breakout. I hope everyone is having a blessed day. 47, Josh. 500s. Wow, that thing actually held 222 again. Oh my goodness. Watch it stay above 222 and then go back to 270. Very nice. Markets. Interesting. Bridge Life. Yeah, looks like INBS is still holding up there. Still holding up. So looks here, yeah, we're failing a 960. See you in Discord, Justin. Much love. See you in Discord. Yeah, we're gonna stay for a few more minutes and then we can hop off as well. We can hop off. Hop off. Have a wonderful weekend, Jody. Much love. See you tomorrow. Have a great weekend. Rusty, oh my goodness, everybody's leaving, guys. Okay, I think it's time for us to hop off. I think it's time. Let me know if you have any last questions, guys, and then we're going to hop off and go hang out in Discord. So Annette, have a wonderful weekend as well. Oh, the cool people are still here. Let's go, Richie. Yes. Tatiana, what's your position in ADM? Let me know. Holo? Oh my goodness. What are you saying? There goes VLCN, right? You better put that stop loss, otherwise it takes you to the bridge. Holo. Oh my days. That was a pretty nice entry at close to $19. Dang. Is Nicholas, are you still holding that thing from 20? Still holding from $20? Yeah, nice little pop. Waiting to go to 60. Have a wonderful weekend, Blizzy. Have a wonderful weekend, Troy. That's popping. Found kryptonite. Yeah, 960 free bomb. What am I looking at? ADM. So you're waiting for 60. That doesn't tell me a whole lot though. Um, it doesn't tell me what your question is. Yes, you're waiting for 60. There's nothing wrong with that, I guess, right? Just because it looks like it's at not too bad of an area. You might have a good entry. It looks like it's coming off support at $50, so that's good, right? Your reward is potentially higher than your risk in this case if we stay above $50. That thing crashed from 70. Not sure why it crashed. Maybe find out why that thing went from 70 to 50. But it looks like it's yeah. They took the monies, Josh. They took the monies and ran. Everybody said, "Okay, thank you, bye, thank you, bye." Yeah. So Tatiana, just make sure you have a plan, a stop loss, whatever you need to do, and then you should be okay. Should be okay. Na, 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 na. Yep. Always stay. New lows? Yeah, no, that thing's nasty. Nasty. This is really important, guys. Right? This is why VLCN again. Um, this is why it's really important for you to take profits. Why it's really important to set a stop loss. Right? We went up 30%. Right? If you go from being up 30%, 20%, 10%, 10% is a lot. I know it doesn't feel that way, but if you go from being green to holding a bag to going red, it's greediness. Stuff like that will ruin you in the market. So don't do that, please. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. So I bet you the only thing we're going to be, well, maybe not the only thing, but I'm sure there's some other names like these crypto miners and stuff. Luna into the close. We'll see what that does, but INBS should be pretty interesting to watch into the close. INBS. I'm impressed INBS ran twice though. It ran 300% in last week or 2 weeks ago, and then it ran 200% again today. Interesting. Very interesting, isn't it? Later, Bernie. Have a wonderful. It has a gap. Yeah, no, there's a gap after that sell off. Let me take a look. SYRA. SYRA minus 26%. $3.30. Hold as long as 3.30. Yeah, you never know with stuff like this, like especially when it's run in the past. Maybe this is something we're going to be looking at again, like into the close or on Monday. SYRA, right? When stuff runs, you have to pay attention. Just like INBS running twice. Up huge today. Let's go, Josh. Gonna just chill out. Have a blessed weekend, Josh. Remember to find someone to help this weekend. Even if even the smallest thing can go a long way for someone. Cheers and much love. Let's go, Josh. Love that. It really can. It really, really can. So yeah, have a wonderful weekend, Josh. CLSK is at the highs of the day. Love it. Where is it? Yeah, it's right there. Look at that thing go. My goodness. CLSK. I think these guys dropped earnings at the best time. They beat earnings and Bitcoin is pumping. Could not have done it at a better time. Not at a better time. 30% rally. He loves everybody. Everybody, Josh. Because could not have done that at a better time. Yeah. Yeah, that's a really nice push. Very, very nice. Um, are you feeling more confident? Yeah, yeah. I am. I think a lot of it, is like I've said this a few times. I think I initially, I think, what I tried applying like a lot of like logic and a lot of technicals to futures. You really have to paper trade it. Like you really have to take your time and understand how these things move, because a lot of it doesn't make any sense, Dan. Uh, a lot of it doesn't make any sense. A lot of it is almost like trading momentum stocks. Like less of the technicals, more of the vibes. Yeah. Yeah, there's no crying in futures. Yeah, it's weird how much different it really is. Like it's so different. Like I can look at a momentum stock and then, or like I can look at like a proper chart and then I go to futures and I try to do that and it's like no, that is not working. And it's impressive how like you can be there for 2 seconds and you need to be out already. Otherwise you overstay your welcome. I was wondering how you guys are staying in trades for 3 seconds. Like how do you make $200 in 3 seconds? But it makes a lot of sense now. Makes a lot of sense. Yep. Yep. There goes 970 for INBS. Really nice pop. A nice higher low. So see if we can get another higher low and then another breakout with no cash on hand and big pumps waiting for the waiting for that offering. It really is. It really is. That's why Dan had to trade for at least a month. To get the hang of it because yeah, that thing is for sure wild. It's wild. Let's see here. Every second is terrifying. When you use the I do. I was telling Rob, like, or I was telling somebody else, right, that I understand why people use these second charts now. And they're like, you better not say that in public. But I really do understand why people use, yeah. What's to Rob? I know. Rob said, be quiet. But it makes a lot of sense now. It makes a lot of sense. A lot of sense. 15 seconds. You can see stuff happening that you're not quite seeing on a bigger time frame, and by the time you see it, you should be out already, anyways. Like it's wild, crazy. Well, let's hopefully we keep learning and growing. LabU, okay. 8. Let me take a look at LabU. 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 Oh, that's the daily. I was wondering why it looked like that. So what the hell? La, la, la. La, 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 la. 20. Okay. 25 minutes to close. Yeah. Sammy, what's any updates? Let me take a quick look before we hop off. SUNW. Not sure what your position is, but that thing looks nasty. Alrighty, your last line of defense is 1280. If it can stay above 1280, you should be okay. SUNW. If it goes below 1280, that thing is finished. Alrighty, so this morning we bounced off that level, right? So 1280, right there, right? This morning, right there. We talked about it in the morning, right? And then it bounced. That's why we have that arrow there. Well, now it's back to that same level again. It looks much more uglier though. Why? Because it's giving us lower highs now. But right there, we need to hold 1280. Futures can be the devil. Really, like no joke. Position at 15 cents, Sammy. What's your stop loss at though? Let's go. Love you too, Josh. Have a wonderful weekend. Um, have a wonderful weekend. See you later. Alrighty. Let's see here. Anything else we need to look at? I think we should be good to go. Stop loss is at 13 cents. So that means your stop loss hit then. Yeah, again, it needs to stay above 1280. Otherwise, it's going to the abyss. Yeah, that thing had a really good run. Like it had a really good run. It failed that resistance in the red zone. You see all that red at the top? This is resistance. Red, red, red. Right? So 20 to 21 is a problem. So you're supposed to sell that thing at that price. No, 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 no. Alrighty, y'all. So we will leave it here for today. Again, have a wonderful weekend. Be safe. Obviously, the day is not done yet, so we're going to be in Discord. And yeah, don't do anything highly questionable, please. Please and thank you. Alrighty. See you guys later. See you later. And yeah. Already, y'all? Already. Until Jay, truck, fun, please. No, I a little bit, Dan, a little bit. Yeah, sure. I'll look at fun. Fun isn't. We haven't really talked. Yeah, so it looks like it's still holding 1280 for you, Sammy. So that's good. Fun looks fine for now. Surprised that it's not pumping, but make sure that thing stays above 30 cents. If we can stay above 30 cents, you should be okay. Make sure you have a plan though. Stop loss, please. Alrighty, bye all. Bye all.